Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a machine that offers some serious bang for your buck in the renewed market, the Dell Optiplex 9020 tower. Now, the Optiplex line is known for being a reliable workhorse in the business world, but this particular renewed configuration comes with some upgrades that make it much more versatile for home use or even light entertainment. Under the hood, it's powered by an Intel Core i5-4570 processor. This is a solid 4th generation chip running at 3.2 GHz, perfectly capable of handling your everyday computing needs, from browsing the web and managing emails to working on documents and streaming video. It's not the newest CPU on the block, but paired with the other components here, it holds its own. Where this renewed system really shines is in the memory and storage department. It's packed with a generous 16 gigabytes of RAM, which is fantastic for multitasking. You can have multiple applications open, plenty of browser tabs, and the system will still feel responsive. But the biggest upgrade has to be the storage. It comes with a brand new 1 terabyte solid-state drive. This is a game changer compared to older mechanical hard drives. Boot times are lightning fast, applications load instantly, and file transfers are incredibly quick. A 1 terabyte SSD provides ample space for your operating system, programs, and a large collection of files. Adding to its capabilities is the inclusion of an NVIDIA GT 1030 graphics card. While not a powerhouse for demanding modern games, the GT 1030 provides dedicated graphics memory and processing power far superior to the integrated graphics found on the CPU. This means smoother video playback, better performance in photo and video editing software at an entry level, and the ability to play many popular esports titles and older games at decent settings. It really expands what this Optiplex can do beyond just basic office tasks. Connectivity is also improved with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, features often missing from these older business machines. This makes it easy to connect to your network wirelessly and pair peripherals without needing extra adapters. It also includes standard ports like HDMI for easy connection to modern displays. The system comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Professional, a stable and feature-rich operating system suitable for both home and business environments. The tower form factor provides some room for potential future upgrades if you ever wanted to swap out components. Though with the included SSD, RAM, and GT 1030, it's already a very capable machine right out of the box. Considering it's a renewed system, this configuration offers exceptional value. You're getting a reliable Dell chassis with significant performance upgrades that transform it from a basic office PC into a versatile home computer capable of handling productivity, multimedia, and light gaming. It's an excellent option for students, home office users, or anyone looking for a budget-friendly PC that doesn't compromise too much on performance thanks to those key component upgrades.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.